Hi COMM students, it's Michelle in the library. Hope you're doing all right. I wanted to talk to you about library support for your next assignment for COMM 1, the persuasive speech. You came in a few months ago and we looked at newspapers and newspaper databases, a couple of other databases, and we're going to build on what you learned last time to find evidence for your persuasive speech. So I created a research guide and I want to walk you through it. The first part is looking at evidence in different kinds of sources. The next part is figuring out your keywords that you're going to use for searching. And then the last part is looking for sources in a couple of library databases. Before we get started, just a reminder that you have access to almost all of the library resources online, and you can get to those using your Canvas login and password. And you also have access to librarians. We're still here and we want to help you with any research projects you have this semester. So if you have any questions or get stuck at any point, please contact us using the Ask a Librarian form and we will follow up. So the first section, as I said, Sky and I are asking you to look at a couple of examples of sources and kind of compare the kinds of evidence they use. So we've pulled 3 different sources talking about the 2020 census. One, a report from CQ Researcher, the next one, a Wikipedia page, and the next one, a newspaper article from the LA Times. And we'd like you to talk with your group about what kind of evidence they use and if you find it persuasive. Next step is to kind of figure out the search terms for your own topic. So write down a few keywords that will help you find relevant information on this topic. So again, using the example of the census, if you were researching the 2020 census, you might use some of these keywords to find sources. And again, it would depend on what aspect of the census you were interested in researching. I'm going to go down here and click this button to go to the next page. So this page has some databases listed and a couple of database tutorials. So there are 4 places listed here to look for sources and evidence on your topic. Opposing Viewpoints, which provides kind of basic background information on controversial topics. CQ Researcher, which provides more in-depth reports. OneSearch, which looks across all the library collections. And then there's some websites that are good for finding public opinion polls and statistics. So these tabs each have links to the databases and then a short tutorial, usually about 2 minutes, on how to search the database. So Opposing Viewpoints, CQ Researcher, OneSearch, and then, as I said, some links to find polls and statistics on your topics. So again, don't hesitate to contact us using Ask a Librarian if you get stuck or have questions, and good luck!